Namaste everyone. Welcome to ICAM. In this video, we will learn the meaning of chapter 10. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha Atha Dashamodhyayah Vibhuti Yogaha Shri Bhagavanuvacha Bhuya Eva Mahabaho Shruno me Paramau Vachaha Anaya Yaya. The Supreme Lord said, O mighty armed Arjuna, listen again to my supreme advice, which I shall impart for your welfare, my friend. Name vidussuraganaah prabhavanna maharshayah ahamadirhi devanam maharshi pancha sarva. Neither the gods nor the great sages know my origin. For in all respects I am the source of all the gods and great sages. Yo mamajamanadecha veti lokamaheshwaram asammudhah samatyeshu sarvapapais pramuchyate. He who is undeluded among mortals, who knows me as a birthless and beginless, as the supreme Lord of the world, is freedom from all sins. बुद्धिर्ज्ञानमसम्मोहः क्षमा सत्यन्दमशमः सुखं दुःखं भवो भावः भयं च भयमेव च. Intelligence, knowledge, freedom from all the doubt and delusion, forgiveness and truthfulness, self-control, mind control, happiness and misery, birth, death, fear and fearless, sub begins comes from me. Ahimsa samata tushtihi tapodanai yasho yashah bhavanti bhava bhutanam matta eva prithak vidha. Non-violence, impartiality, satisfaction and austerity, charity, faith, insanity, all of these various qualities found in living beings all comes from me. महर्षयः सप्त पूर्वे चत्वारो मनवस्तथा मद्भावा मानसा जाताः येषाल्लोक इमाः प्रजाः. The seven great sages of old, as well as the four great sages and Manus, from whom the world's creatures are originated in me, of me. My dear friend, just know about that. Etau vibhuti yogancha mama yo veti tattvataha so vikampena yogena yunjate natra samshayaha. One who knows my opulence and true power is united with me in unwavering devotion. Of there is no doubt. Aham sarvasya prabhavah sarvam pravartati ikmatva bhajan sudha bhava samanvitaah. I am the source of everything. Everything originates from me. Aware of this, the wise worship me faithfully and wholeheartedly. मच्चित्ता मद्गतप्राणाः बोधयन्तः परस्परं कथयन्तश्च मान्नित्यं तुष्यन्ति च रमन्ति च. Those whose thoughts are constantly fixed on me, whose lives are devoted in service of me, derive satisfaction enlightening one another and always speaking of me. तेषां सततयुक्तानां भजतां प्रीतिपूर्वकं ददामि बुद्धियोगं तं येन मामुपयान्ति ते. To those who are constantly devoted, who worship me with love, I give them understanding by which they come to me.